Alright, I think I discovered the Fountain of Youth beauty light, and it's right here, this thing here, and we're going to take a look at this in this episode. Here we go. Now you may or may not have noticed, but several of the Captain Drone videos that I recorded here in studio might have been looking a little bit different of late. And that's because I've changed the lighting. Since I'm an old guy and I have really fair skin, well, the wrinkles show and so does everything else. So I've always used a soft box lighting system. I'll show you what that looks like right now. And you can see these are quite large and they just have fluorescent lights in them that shine at about 5,000 Kelvin and are diffused by a nice cloth over the front, which gives that soft glow. Now LED lights try to do the same thing, except that sometimes they come out looking a little bit harsh. Now the company Falcon Eyes, shown on the back, I don't know if you can see it, but they make all sorts of studio lighting for professionals. Now I'm just an amateur because all I have is a YouTube channel and I go with outdoor lighting, and if I'm indoors I just use the basic lighting. So they asked me if I would like to try out their 40 TD LED lighting system, and I said sure, send it to me and I'll try it out. So I've been using it for a while. You might have noticed it in some of the videos indoors and outdoors, and it's really awesome for actually getting the lighting correct. So here, let me show you a quick unboxing and just a little bit about the product. Here we go. Now the Falcon Eyes SO40 TD comes in a very nice zippered case, and if we open it we see the contents, which we have the instructions for your Falcon, and here's the actual LED panel, nicely positioned in the foam case. It's all metal construction, a little bit of plastic at the back, and a nice little stand at the base. And flipping it over, we'll take a look at what's on the rear. At the very top, we have a nice little touchpad here where we can adjust our settings in Kelvin for warm or cool settings, and as well the intensity. Over on the right hand side, you have the attachment for the included antenna so that you can link many of these units wirelessly all together. At the bottom, you have a detachable unit where you can attach two batteries, not included, so that if you want to power this unit on the go without AC power, you can. On the left-hand side is where you would plug in the AC power. Also included is the power supply plus the extension power cable. And finally, you receive a connector for the back of the unit so you can attach the power supply or some other device to the back of the unit. And as you can see here, I have the power supply velcroed to the back of the unit with the included Velcro attachment. The control panel on the Falcon Eyes is actually a touch screen. So I can play with the Kelvin scale, make something very cool, or make it extremely warm. And in addition, I can change the intensity to extremely bright. The light actually attaches to any sort of stand you may have, a mic stand, a lighting stand, whatever stand you have. It's a very easy attachment. I like the fact that everything is a nice solid metal construction. Even the back is all metal construction. The only plastic I believe is this part here. There's a little bit of metal on it as well, and some plastic back here. What's really good is how you can adjust the light. It's a very simple adjustment. So I can put the light down, or, which is hard with a lot of lights, I can go way up in the air and flip it even in reverse if I wish. And as well, due to the design of the stand, you can rotate it any direction you wish, and then you can tighten it and hold it in that direction. So right now for this little video segment, I'm using the Falcon Eyes 40 TD. It's lighting me right now, and I have it set at 5,000 Kelvin at about 30%. Now watch what happens when I want to warm up my super white pasty skin. There we go, I've set it at 3,500 Kelvin, which is much warmer than the 5,000 Kelvin, and I still have it at 30%, and look, I look warmer, like it's like evening, nice soft mood lighting. And there we go, I'm back at 5,000 Kelvin to bring back my pasty white complexion. Anyways, this is a really cool product, and all the videos going forward, I'm going to be using this Falcon 40 TD lighting system because it actually does really well in studio. And even outdoors. Outdoors, it's pretty good. Portability is amazing if you have batteries to power it. So overall, it's a product I'm really impressed with. Sure, Falcon Eyes sent me this product. They didn't pay me to say I like it, or I love it, or I hate it. That's my opinion totally. But I do like it because it's great for exactly what I do. I'm a YouTuber and it works out perfect. So I'm going to put a link below to the product they sent me. You can check out all their products and see what you think. And if you're like me, a YouTuber, you got to get something like this because it really makes a difference. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Take care and we'll catch you in the next one. And there are drone videos coming up, so stay tuned.